Good morning. It's a beautiful morning. I woke up and I am still here. Thank you for being there for me. I know it's not always easy, but I always get through everything. I always believe that what I want wants me, and I always do my best to have an extraordinary day. Today is a beautiful day, and today I trust in myself and my abilities to be great and to do great things for others. But most importantly, today is the day when I give myself unconditional love. This love is embedded in my heart. Today is my day. Today is a great day. All my negativity is emptied, and I am filled with love, positivity, and gratitude. And I invite only good things into my life. It's a great morning. It's a great day. It's my day, and today I'm having an extraordinary day. Today is one of those days when things come easy to me, when I feel I can conquer the world. Today is one of those days when I'm happy, when I give myself so much love that I deserve. And today is that day. Today is an easy day. And other things that's not as easy, it doesn't matter. They're still easy, because today I am happy. And I wake up with a big smile on my face. And this smile stays on all day long. Because today I'm happy. Today is a great day. It's my day.